This is the central screen at the clinic's end for managing care pathways. Now, currently, we are looking at one preliminary care pathway that we have created for somebody who has just had a cardiac surgery. Now, as you can see, this is the title of the pathway. Below is a quick description of the pathway for the patient's understanding, and then there is a duration for the pathway, which in this case has been notified as 11 months. Now, within the care pathway, there are two paths. There are either checkpoints or there are queries. Now, queries are any incoming questions that are coming from the patient, which can be as simple as feeling nauseous and what is the action to be taken for that. On the other hand, checkpoints are the detailed specific interventions that we need to take for the patient as part of the pathway. Now, as you can see, the first intervention that we have is that the patient needs to physically consult the treating cardiologist, and this needs to happen every 2 months during the entire period. Similarly, there are other interventions like there is a monthly ECG that is required by the patient, and there can be other tests, for example, a lipid profile test, a complete blood culture, etc. etc. In addition, in this case, the patient is also required to have an online consultation with the cardiologist in between his physical visits. So, this is the overall care pathway. And as you can see, any number of items can be added to the care pathway, and new care pathways can be created as well. Further, the system also provides a quick analytics on the pathway. So, for example, in this case, the pathway will cost about 1.5 lakhs to the patient. In addition, there is a convenience score which is calculated based on how much does the patient need to travel, what is the waiting time, etc. And finally, there is a profitability for your facility that is indicated as part of each pathway. Now we'll quickly look at how we assign a pathway to a patient. So in this case, we are going to assign this cardiac care pathway to this patient, Chaitanya Shravant. Now once we assign the pathway, the patient receives an SMS. And the SMS looks basically like this. So let's go and have a look at the SMS. Now as a part of the SMS, there is a link sent to the patient, which basically allows us to connect with the patient through their Facebook profile. So the patient just needs to click on this button, and then they're taken to a registration page where their details are pre-filled from your database. In addition, the patient has to click on this button, send to Messenger, so that a connection with his Facebook account can be made over Messenger. There, that's a message from your Facebook page going to the patient. In addition, the patient can also change the language of his interaction with your system. So, for example, here the patient chooses Hindi, and the patient can click Save. Now the entire care pathway is displayed to the patient. So here's the description that we provided. In addition, step by step, the patient can see what is each action that is required from the patient's end. So for example, the treatment has been started today. On 20th July, the patient is required to come for a physical review and for a radiological test. 23rd July, their pathological test, so on and so forth. So you can view the entire pathway right over here. Now, to test out the pathway that has been assigned to the patient, this is a simple secret command. Now, the patient had selected Hindi as his language, hence all the messages are in Hindi. So once we start the pathway, these are messages that are shown. So this is just for demonstration purpose. So for example, the first message is basically about a reminder for his consultation with Dr. Sharma. Now this message is shown every 2 months, and is shown on July 19th, September 17th, etc. Now once the message has been shown to the patient can simply click on this button to get the consultation appointment booking process started. So he selects a date, selects a time, and then confirms the appointment. Now once the appointment has been confirmed, there's a confirmation message that's provided. Now before, the patient is also sent a message for booking an Uber for the consultation. So for example, in this case, the patient has received a message. Now the patient right from here can just provide his location and then book an Uber. So for example, we are providing the location right now. And the available Uber cabs are displayed over here. So for example, the patient chooses Uber Go. And the Uber booking is taken up. and the Uber is booked for the patient, and these are the driver details. Now the next item in his for the patient was the radiological test. Now similarly, at the time of the test, this message is sent to the patient, and the patient can quickly book an appointment by clicking on this button. So a similar process is followed up even in case of all the tests that are required.